abo murimo murungi ogwo bari kukorera ihanga bari kushomesa abana nagira ngu abo bashomesa kuba bace omu mashomero kigarwiize enyima eby'obwegyese munonga. Minisita ajumirira abashomesa abari kukozesa abana abo bari kushomesa ebintu by'ekikuru ekitumire n'abaana baguma nibatoroka omu mashomero. Abel Bizimana ori chairman w'entebe ya katano ahawa district ya Kisoro asimira abashomesa ahabo kugira ngu nibo babisizeho ihanga.
Uwisha babiri amazabeza uko nari nsambere abantu abonye bigisha ko kumfata ngo bampindure icyuma kizigukeba. I would be not as useful as I am because I have something to say. By the way, a teacher umurimo we n'ugutyaza n'uguhanga ugahanga umukozi uzashakwa mu mirimo yose ibaho mu society. So a teacher is a doctor, a teacher is an engineer, a teacher is everything, because from there all of those jobs are provided for society and then become useful.
Ogu ajumirire government habo kushashura sente nche konka nagira ngu abashomesa bine kukoresa akasente kake okugira ngu babase kugira ekibaye hamu.
To be proud of yourself, whether you are paid less or more, until you feel that confidence that you are worth who you are, you will think you are worthless. But with even little salary, I am here, you are talking about payments. I was being paid well in the government as a health worker. But if I tell you that I receive 1.7 million when my senior people who I am supposed to be with are in 6 million per month. But you see, because I love what I do, I still smile. Yes, and I look so beautiful on my face, including my nose. Because there is nothing sweet like a heart that is contented but striving to earn more. That heart, that with the little you have, you can even touch someone else who doesn't have. Like Sheikh touched me, may his soul rest in eternal peace.
Okurugirira hari Alex Matata ori chairperson owa Unatu nagira ngu necho busasi okushanga government eremirwe kongera omushara ogw'abashomesa.
The teachers have done a lot. They have taught teachers, they have taught ministers, they have taught businessmen, they have taught members of parliament, they have taught all categories of people. The teachers are all around. I heard one say that they have played a pivotal role in the development, in the championing development of this country. And indeed, it is true. Once again, a standard clap to the teachers. I want to affirm to you that I have walked the journey of good things and difficulties with the teachers of Kisoro municipality. Like others were lamenting. It is true. I sit on the National Executive of Urban Leaders, and we did demand pay rise of all arts civil servants. On Saturday last week, we had a meeting, and this is going to be presented, I think, to the President, and the fact that you are there, you're going to support us. I am sure you have tested capacity to do that.
Peace Ruzaza or headmistress wa Seseme Girls na Shoborora ari kugira ngo necho busasi okushanga ngo ba head teacher nikibagumira kureberera abashomesa abari kubakiza omushara unabo echo government eine kugira eki yakoraho. Orunaku rw'abashomesa ni rukuzibwa buri biro bitano ebyokwezi ku 10 ebya buri mwaka. Amakuru agagasha kwa Adonia Toire omuri Kisoro.